The crawler is one of my favorite pieces of machinery at NASA that doesn't go into space. And there are so many really amazing engineering creations at NASA that just go into the processing of the different spacecraft. So the crawler, for those who don't know, is a vehicle that was designed to carry out rockets. It carried out the Saturn V and also has carried out the shuttle and the launch platform called the Mobile Launch Platform, MLP, that the shuttle launches off of. And this crawler is very big. It has 8 tracks on it, 2 on each corner, and each of those tracks, kind of like the tracks on a tank, have what they call shoes or plates. There's 57 of them on each of the tracks, and each one of those plates or shoes weighs 2,000 pounds. So you can imagine this crawler is really big and really heavy, but it has to be to carry out the space shuttle weighing over 4 million pounds with the whole rockets and stack attached to it. So, so how fast does it go? Well, it's about 3.5 miles to get from the vehicle assembly building out to the launch pad, and it's normally around a 5-hour trip, and that includes the startup time and the slowdown time, but it averages around 1 mile per hour. And I actually, our crew got to ride the crawler for part of the trip out when our space shuttle was on its way, and we went down into the area where they drive it, and I had to chuckle. Here's this gigantic vehicle, and this very small lady who probably weighed about 100 pounds was up there driving it, and her speedometer, instead of reading, 0 to 10 to 20, 30, 40 miles per hour like we're used to in cars, her speedometer was in hundredths of a mile per hour. So when I was up there, we were doing 0.94 miles per hour. But I understand it can go much faster. Without the shuttle attached, when it's unloaded, it can go all the way up to 2 miles per hour.